The first recipe we're working on today is a healthy version of my shrimp scampi that beat Bobby Flay. So we're just making some simple substitutions here. We're gonna substitute some zucchini noodles for pasta. We're gonna substitute out the butter. We're gonna use some extra virgin olive oil, so still creating some awesome flavors there. Lots of lemon, lots of garlic, beautiful bright flavors. Simple substitutions to make it a healthier option for you to eat at home by yourself or with your family.